Rhode is a line of curated skincare essentials launched by Hailey Bieber. It was acquired for $1 billion. How did she do it? Mimic this grind and strategy, and your brand could be on its way. Welcome to Brand Teardown. My team and I will be dissecting and analyzing famous brands to understand the strategies they employed to become e-commerce masters. Without further ado, I'm Rashawn Gidwani. Welcome to the Funnelish YouTube channel. For those who stay till the end of the video, there's a template of a checkout page inspired by Rhode just for you. Rhode launched in 2022. And by 2025, they reported over $200 million in sales. The brand began very lean with just 3 core products when they launched. These include the peptide glazing fluid, barrier restore cream, and peptide lip treatment. Rhode kept its catalog narrow and positioned each product as elevated and minimal. They incorporated the clean girl aesthetic, focusing on effortless style and a sensorial, treat-like product experience. So, what's the key strategy and lesson here? You do not need a huge product line to scale. All you need is focus and identity. For Hailey Bieber, this marketing strategy worked. An example is the famous phone case and lipstick product that Rhode has. This is a product that became a sensation worldwide. Think of it as the brand's own signature on cosmetics. Does your brand have a signature product? A concept like this is innovatively simple, and it also acts as a talking piece for shareable content. The product became a cultural moment on TikTok and Instagram. It's a perfect example of a hero product plus a viral accessory combination. You need to find out how you can bundle some products together that also have a viral-worthy angle, or find a carry-everywhere version of your flagship product. This way, your brand does its own advertising when your consumers are carrying it and they're using it. The goal is to make your product shareable. How will it stand out and be visually iconic so that people from all corners of the globe are gushing about it? Macro and micro influencers shared user-generated content about Rhode, which became a huge part of their marketing strategy. This added to the hype, with thousands of people showcasing how they use their Rhode products online, generating word of mouth and a buzz around the products. Maybe 10,000 influencers is overkill. 10 micro creators who genuinely like your product may just do the trick. Micro creator user-generated content is powerful and accessible, and any brand can replicate this in their marketing strategy. How did Hailey involve herself with the brand? When Hailey started posting Get Ready With Me videos showcasing her own products, she further exemplified the minimalistic aesthetic of the brand. Let's further discuss Rhode's strategy as far as their price point goes. Their price point was positioned as accessible luxe. It was premium enough to feel elevated, but it was still affordable relative to high-end luxury skincare. What can we learn from this? Overpricing kills accessibility. The sweet spot is where the buyer feels like they're getting premium quality at a fair price. Waitlists for new products are set up when a drop is announced and the hype begins. Emails are sent out as well as SMSs. The launch happens and there's an instant sellout. Waitlists become part of the funnel before restocks or new drops. Rhode builds anticipation via social teasers, and soft launches all cultivate excitement amongst its audience. Then, upsells become a huge part of their checkout strategy. On their website, a shopper can purchase a phone case and add lipstick for 10% off. From selecting a product until checkout, a customer can be upsold 4 times. Items are classified as low stock and limited edition, which add urgency and hype as well. Rhode also frequently releases limited batch drops, which signals scarcity and tight supply, which is met with high demand. At the last stage of the funnel, customers who have already purchased the products can add reviews and share their thoughts on socials. Therefore, new audiences are kept updated on what the brand is doing. Vouchers can be provided in exchange for a review, and the customer has a certain amount of time to use that voucher. What's more is that Rhode experiments too. The brand tests colors, versions, limited editions, and bundles as well to find out what customers really like. So there's essentially a never-ending flow of customer satisfaction. Consumer demand is always changing, and Rhode, they keep up. On the Rhode website, you can create an account and drop their customer service a note too. These are tactics which make any consumer feel like they're part of a special club, which further promotes brand loyalty. By now, you probably understand that e-commerce is not a set it and forget it game. The fundamental shift we have analyzed is that you have control over your brand and your brand image. Rhode created a signature product, ensured that people are talking about it, and even added on accessories to bundle with that product. And by using a waitlist for products, urgency and hype surrounded every drop. These are just some of the ways that any brand, including yours, can succeed in the e-commerce realm. See you in the next video where we dissect another brand and how they have scaled. Which brand would you like us to discuss? Let us know in the comments section. Also, we're here to make your life simple. In the description of this video below, find a fully done checkout template which mimics Rhode's. It's all yours to use for free. Till next time, I'm Rashawn.